How to register for Santander Bank mobile banking or online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can register for Santander Bank's mobile banking account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are basically different types of Santander Bank depending upon which region you live in. If you live in the UK, you have Santander mobile banking app for UK, right? So you can see Santander UK PLC, which is the developer. And then if you live in the US, you have the Santander Bank US, depending upon whichever bank account you have. For this general tutorial, I'm going to show you of the Santander Bank US, right? So what you need to do is, first of all, after you download the application, just open it. Now this is assuming that you already have a bank account on Santander Bank. I'm not talking about mobile banking because that's what we're going to learn to register right now, but you want to go ahead and simply actually make sure that you already have a Santander Bank account. Now if you have a Santander Bank account, all you need to do is, in order to activate online banking to make transactions online or from the app, you have to just choose the option called Enroll Now. So just tap on the Enroll Now button. Now it will ask you to let's get started. So set up your mobile and online banking account. So you can choose to actually set it up with your account number or your debit, ATM or credit card number. If the account number is convenient, make sure to enter your account number and last 4 digits of your SSN over here, which is a social security number. If you don't have a social security number, then you can tap on don't have one. Then instead you can choose to enter your date of birth. Now if you think that you want to do it with debit or credit card, you can select debit, ATM or credit card number, then last 4 digits of your SSN. Again, if you don't have SSN, just tap on don't have SSN and then enter your date of birth instead. Then tap on the continue button from the bottom. After that, it will take you to the next step where you have to choose a username that you want to use for your mobile banking account. Then you have to choose a password, verify the email address and phone number, and then you will be able to successfully register. Now once you registered it, in order to log in, you just want to come back, and then here you have to enter your user ID and a password and tap on login, and then you'll be able to see all your funds of your account. You'll also be able to go ahead and then make a transaction and do whatever else you actually prefer. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then register for Santander Bank's mobile banking account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.